So you're selling a Canva template link, but the file size is too large. Let me show you how to work that around. You've created the most beautiful thing you want to sell on a platform, and now you want to make it as a template link. So what you want to do first is go over to your share button. You're going to hit the little see all. You're going to find where it says template link. You're going to click on that and create a template link. We're going to copy that template link. Then you're going to start a new design. I do it in regular paper size, 8.5 by 11. And then you're going to make you a thank you page. Your thank you for your purchase, whatever you want to put here, directions on how to use it, or whatever information you want to do, a download button or a click here button or both. You just want to make a page that you can use to give to your customers. So now what you want to do is you're going to go, this is where I want them to click. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit the three dots. And what I'm going to do is look for it says link. So what I want to do there is I'm going to paste that link into that enter a link or search. So I'm going to push done. So now it's going to say it's my record template and I'm going to push done. So what you want to do now is you want to go over file, download. We're going to go to PDF standard and you're going to download that. After it's downloaded, what you want to do is you want to go and open that up. Now you want to scroll down and you want to click that download button to make sure that that is what your customers are going to get. So you're going to check that Canva link and make sure that link pops up when they click that. And if we open it up, there is the template and they can go in there and edit whatever they need to do because now it's theirs. So they can go in there and do whatever they want to do and it's all theirs. And that's how easy that is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that way you can sell your templates. And if the file size is too large, hey, that is the workaround that people use to sell larger files. And I'm assuming you could probably do that with a Google Drive if you needed to, and you're selling out of your Google Drive and other stuff too. But that is just the way you can do it in Canva. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm Michelle. I hope you learned a little something today, or I helped your day out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.